Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special header unit for BMW X1 EVO system 2018 to 2019, 2020 years. Okay, let me show. This installation cover dash kit. Okay, and this USB adapter for EVO system, and this EVO cable, EVO system cable. Okay, let me show cables. This speaker, small speaker, and this factory plug you can check. Plug and play, and this fuse box. This connector connect our back head unit. Okay, and there is real camera input, AC type, and camera detect wire. This camera 12 voltage wire power. 12 voltage power wire. Okay. Plug and play. And it comes with the GPS antenna. This GPS antenna. And this AUX audio out AUX cable, and this 4G antenna. There are two USB cable and connector, and this connect audio cable. There are DVI video input and video input. This microphone, external microphone, it's AUX input, left and right, AC type. Okay, let me show the header unit. You can check the back of header unit, and there SIM card slot. SIM card slot and the TV card slot, it's built in, and you can check for X1 EVO system 2018 to 2020 years, Snapdragon, RAM 8GB, 256 high resolution, and this connection power audio, this USB, and EVO system, this 4G, this GPS antenna. Okay, you can check the screen. This blue screen, blue light. Okay, let me connect the power. Okay, header unit will be start. This install part. Okay, Okay, this system BMW X1, a 10.25-inch touchscreen, and built in the Google Maps. This navigation built in the Google Maps. And this weather, you need to connect the GPS, get the weather connection. This music. And this for original backup camera. This boat and different style. It's Bluetooth. This dashboard. This dashboard and it will show the original information. A video and settings, system settings. Brightness. It's dark and adjust. Okay, and this navigation settings. It's audio, OEM volume and Android volume sound. You can choose different style and language. All language already built in the system. This time Android settings and information. You can check MCU and RAM 8 GB, storage 256 GB, and this factory settings. Let me check the factory settings. And this function. Bluetooth, it supports OEM or Android Bluetooth. Camera selection. Vehicle. Car display, you need to choose the EVO system. EVO system. And UI style, UI 8 latest UI style. You also can choose different RD style previous, latest RD 8. Okay. This factory setting, and let me check the Android setting. Wi-Fi, you can connect Wi-Fi. And their SIM card, you can put the SIM card on back of head unit screen. Their SIM card slot, it works with 4G SIM card. Connect Wi-Fi and you can visit our website belsee.com. And the storage, you can check the total 256 GB. This display brightness and dark theme. This dark theme. Display, and you also can change the system language. About device, you can check the Android version 12. Okay, all apps here, you can check it's built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it. And Z-Link 5 for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can application installer. If you want to install the CarPlay Z-Link, you can choose it and click install. Okay, and like home, music, phone, and navy. This is our website, belsee.com, latest Android system, and this Tesla style head unit, cluster. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. That's all. Thank you.